XRP price prediction. Why softer U.S. inflation data could accelerate run to $2.80. Cryptocurrency. XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Softer U.S. inflation sparks crypto optimism. XRP price prediction hints at a powerful rally eyeing the $2.80 resistance zone. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 1 hour ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. XRP extended its rally above $2.55 in early Asian trading, gaining 4.3% in 24 hours as softer U.S. inflation data boosted investor confidence. With markets now betting on a Federal Reserve rate cut later this month, XRP's bullish momentum is building. The token trades near $2.54, supported by strong volume and growing optimism that a breakout toward $2.80 may be on the horizon. Softer inflation boosts rate cut expectations. The latest U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, report showed prices rose 0.3% in September, below expectations of 0.4%, while annual inflation eased to 3%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased just 0.2%, another sign of cooling price pressure. This softer data strengthened market expectations for a 25 basis point Fed rate cut later this month. Lower borrowing costs typically weaken the dollar and redirect capital toward higher-risk assets like cryptocurrencies. As traders anticipate a more accommodative monetary stance, XRP and other altcoins have gained fresh tailwinds, extending their short-term recovery. Mixed U.S. data keeps markets cautious. Recent U.S. economic indicators presented a mixed picture. The S&P Global Flash PMI rose to 54.8 in October, the strongest private sector expansion in 3 months, signaling resilience in business activity. However, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index slipped from 55.1 to 53.6, highlighting growing household uncertainty amid persistent inflation concerns. This combination, stronger business output but weaker consumer mood, reinforces the view that the Fed may soon pivot toward easing to support economic stability. For crypto traders, that prospect has revived interest in speculative assets like XRP, which often benefits from looser monetary policy and risk-on sentiment. Weaker dollar outlook and XRP's path to $2.80. A softer inflation outlook has pressured the U.S. dollar, encouraging traders to reallocate capital into crypto markets. As expectations of a slower tightening cycle grow, Bitcoin and XRP have both attracted renewed institutional and retail interest. For XRP specifically, sustained momentum above $2.55 could pave the way for a test of $2.80, a key resistance level that previously capped rallies in September. A successful breakout above that threshold would shift near-term sentiment firmly bullish. However, ongoing regulatory uncertainty surrounding Ripple's SEC case may still temper aggressive upside in the short run. XRP price prediction bears $2.02 as descending triangle tightens. On the daily chart, XRP trades within a descending triangle pattern, a formation that often signals potential downside if support gives way. The price faces stiff resistance near $2.70 to $2.72, where both the 50-day EMA and upper trendline converge. A failure to close above this zone could trigger another correction toward $2.26, with deeper support near $2.02 and $1.77, levels where buying previously re-emerged. A confirmed breakdown below $2.26 would validate the bearish setup and potentially accelerate losses toward the $1.95 to $2 zone. Short-term traders may look for rejection candles or a bearish engulfing pattern around $2.70 for short entries, targeting $2.26 initially. Conversely, only a daily close above $2.72 would negate the bearish bias and signal a potential trend reversal toward $2.84 to $3.15. Outlook: consolidation before the next move. Despite short-term volatility, XRP's broader outlook remains constructive. Softer inflation, potential rate cuts, and rising institutional engagement continue to provide fundamental support for crypto assets. If buyers reclaim $2.70 to $2.72, XRP could extend its recovery toward $2.80 and even $3. But until that breakout materializes, traders should expect consolidation within the $2.25 to $2.70 range. In short, XRP's technical setup shows a market at a crossroads, steady macro tailwinds point higher, but chart resistance remains the final gate to the next leg of its rally. Bitcoin Hyper, the next evolution of BTC on Solana. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is bringing a new phase to the Bitcoin ecosystem. While BTC remains the gold standard for security, Bitcoin Hyper adds what it always lacked: Solana-level speed. Built as the first Bitcoin-native Layer 2 powered by the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM, it merges Bitcoin stability with Solana's high-performance framework. The result: lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation, all secured by Bitcoin. Audited by Consult, the project emphasizes trust and scalability as adoption builds. And momentum is already strong. The presale has surpassed $24.8 million, with tokens priced at just $0.013165 before the next increase. As Bitcoin activity climbs and demand for efficient BTC-based apps rises, Bitcoin Hyper stands out as the bridge uniting two of crypto's biggest ecosystems. If Bitcoin built the foundation, Bitcoin Hyper could make it fast, flexible, and fun again. Click here to participate in the presale. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Major crypto analyst warns of inevitable XRP supply shock in 2025. Is XRP about to pump? Bitcoin price prediction. Analyst warns the quantum dilemma could lead to serious Bitcoin bear markets. Is BTC going down? Fed proposes letting stablecoin issuers access banking system directly without banks. Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush Metrics, Microsoft's Copilot AI predicts the price of SOL, XRP, BNB by the end of October 2025. Price analysis. Ripple price prediction. Is XRP about to pump as Evernorth announces $1 billion treasury plans? 3 days ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Bitcoin news. Bitmine chair Tom Lee warns Bitcoin could face 50% drawdowns despite ETF hype. 1 day ago, by Amin Ayan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Standard Chartered predicts BTC will hit $200,000 soon. Is it time to buy? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 22 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 19 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 17 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025, by Ben Beto.